how to contact Blinkit customer support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find them. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So, we're in the settings interface. This is the place where you can find different settings and options. Here on the right top, there's a section called Need Help. Simply tap on Need Help. So this is the place where you can find all the customer support. Here, you can directly tap on the problem that you're facing. There are some customized answers to your problem, so you can directly figure out the problem and solve it. Later, you can even directly contact them by simply pressing on Blinkit support. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.